Hey, welcome to the campsite cruising
Project under construction. It's not to be revealed yet.
project under construction. Hey, welcome to campsite cruising. Today we're going to show you what's in the box. Stick around.
Find out.
Okay, we got this box sent to us from a new company. We will include how to get a hold of them down below so you can contact them to get your very own products.
It's called Yeti Num-Nums.
I like that name. That's a catchy name.
And it's freeze-dried food. And we have freeze-dried corn with barbecue.
Freeze-dried peas with ranch.
Freeze-dried corn with ranch.
Pickled taffy.
That one's a little scary. Looks like freeze-dried bananas.
Some freeze-dried candy. Feels like kind of gummy-ish. Cool.
This one looks like candy too. Doesn't say what kind.
There's another one of those. Two of those. Maybe they're telling us that that's one of their favorites.
Peas with barbecue.
Some more candy. And the person that sent me this said that this is the best thing in the box. Freeze-dried caffeine coffee.
Ooh.
Can't wait to try that one.
Sounds good.
So let the experiment begin.
What should we start with? How about bananas? Let's play it safe on the first one.
There we go. So this is an upstart company out of Texas, and I believe that they can ship anywhere in the United States. You would have to double check with them on that. I know they're selling some locally in their area in Texas. We're really excited to try it out. Very honored that they would give us the opportunity to be some of their lab rats. Is that mine?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
All right.
Cheers.
I like it.
I like it. It's pretty good.
Yeah. It's a banana.
Freeze-dried bananas. Thumbs up.
A lot softer than those chips you usually get too. I like that.
All right, let's go for this candy. I really don't know what to call it. It doesn't have a name on it on what kind it is. It looks almost like what's it called, sweet tarts. It's almost like sweet tart or something. Let's see what we got.
I think that might be what it is.
It's like an Oreo sweet tart. That was better than I thought it was going to be.
I really like it.
Not bad. Surprised me.
Not overly sweet either, like a sweet tart.
Got a little bit of that twang in it.
Thumbs up. This one is freeze-dried corn with ranch.
Everybody loves ranch. Let us know down in the comments. What is your favorite thing to put ranch dressing on?
Okay.
All right.
Smell it. Doesn't smell like ranch. Oh, weird.
Sweet corn.
That's really good.
That is really good. And I don't like ranch.
And it's like light. Well, it's not what I was expecting. It's really good.
Little savory. I like that.
I really like this one. Should we try the peas next?
Yep. It's time to peas.
With ranch, might as well, right?
Yep. Let's ranch it up. I forgot. We totally didn't do like wine tasting. Or
I smell it.
swirl it around. Look at the body on that pea.
Okay. I'm not a huge pea fan anyway. But they're pretty good. But I definitely get that pea flavor.
I taste the pea. I taste the ranch.
It's going downhill.
I taste the pea. Taste the pea, taste the ranch. Pretty crunchy.
Not overly ranchy though. I feel like I taste more pea than ranch.
It's not bad. If you like the taste of pea, these are pretty good.
Oh man.
All right, let's separate from these. We got two of these. Let's get back to sweets. I don't know what these are, Yeti Num-Num people. Feel free to let us know.
Kind of looks like a small sweet tart.
Almost like a gigantic.
Smells like cotton candy.
Sun-kissed tart.
It's really good.
That's good.
It tastes like cotton
It
candy,
is,
like
it tastes
crunchy
like-
cotton candy.
Yeah, totally does.
I like it.
Got a sweet tooth. This one's for you.
Definitely.
Let's try the next one and see if it's the same. A little different, but I smell that lemon. So.
I don't know. These taste like. This is just the one I have. More like cotton candy. And those taste more like sweet tarts.
Yeah, a little different. Still good.
Still good.
Reminds me of a Starburst kind. Y'all got us scared of this one.
We're not big people. Pickle people.
No. These are gigantic.
I know.
Good smell like pickles.
What's
Go
in
for
it?
it. Oh, shoot. Well, bummer. We'll let the fire ants get out.
I mean, it's pickle. It's not as strong as I was afraid it was going to be.
Yeah, it's not
It's
overly
not bad.
different. Better than I thought.
Yeah, I was really scared.
I thought I was going to hit the floor and it was over.
Pretty
All
good.
right.
It's
Ready.
different too. Really like chewy. I don't know.
You ready to pee again or you want to plumb?
Let's do the peas.
Do the peas. Let's get the pea jokes out of the way.
Yeah. Let's go ahead and finish that.
Hopefully we didn't pee nobody off by making these sad jokes. Packaging is very good on here. I believe the shelf life on these are probably pretty decent with it being freeze dried.
These are peas with barbecue, by the way. Not bad. Different.
I could better than the ranch one. But to be fair, I'm not a ranch person.
This is true.
Now we got barbecue corn.
This is barbecue.
Barbecue corn.
I like it. I like the range ones better. But they're still good.
Like the barbecue. Good. Like those. All right. We got another candy.
Look like nerds or something.
Those look like they had some nerds on it.
It's interesting.
Oh, it smells
Oh,
good.
gonna... oh.
I'm now maybe.
Oh, it's sticky.
Sticky and chewy.
But very good.
Like it. If you got a sweet tooth, all of these candies that they have is perfect. If you like savory stuff, the corn, the peas, might even like the pickle taffy. Not too bad.
Alright, this is the one. I can't wait to try. Caffeine.
It says caffeine.
It doesn't say coffee, it says caffeine.
Here we go. You may not see these after this. It may disappear.
It smells like caramel. Maybe. A little sticky. Oh yeah.
A little sticky, stout.
A little strong punch at the end. But really good.
This is very good too. I don't know which one I would pick as a favorite. I really like this. I like the bananas. The candies are very sweet, and if you got a sweet tooth, these are right up your alley.
But they're really good. They're not like overly sweet, I don't think.
They taste good. So be sure to check out Yeti Num-Nums.
So good.
We will get any kind of information we can on them and put it down below where you can find it. When you get a hold of them, let them know that Campsite Cruising sent you.